Hey, it's Zach from Ignite Firing Systems. I'm super excited to show you how to prepare and fire an automated show with Ignite. Okay, so this is all so exciting. So, where do we begin? Well, let's begin with understanding how cues and modules are used in your show. When designing your show, each firework is assigned a specific cue on a specific module, where every module has a specific color. For example, you may have a firework called Gigaboom, which is assigned to Q1 on your green module. When setting up your show, you'll want to plug the igniter connected to Gigaboom to the first cue on your green module. On the physical module, you'll see there are specific cue numbers labeled above each cue. For our I-18 module, this is cues 1 through 6 on the first row, 7 through 12 on the second, and 13 through 18 on the third. Make sense? Great. Now, let's begin by using the app to determine which fireworks are plugged into which cues on your Ignite modules. To do this, let's tap on Shows from the Ignite main menu. Then, tap on the show that you plan to fire and select Prep Show. From this interface, you'll see the modules in your show display on the right-hand side of the screen. You can tap each module to toggle between them. You can also scroll up and down to view firework names from each cue. For example, you'll see that Q1 on the green module has Gigaboom assigned. In addition, if your module is powered on and you have igniters connected, the cue grid on the left-hand side of the screen, along with the cues in the scrollable list, will display as green. This means that the igniter is properly connected to the module and has a good connection. Think of this interface as the instructions on which fireworks should be plugged into which cues on the physical module. You'll notice that some of the cue indicators on the left are showing as red. This means that the Ignite module is expecting an igniter to be plugged in but doesn't see one. We know that setting up your fireworks show is often 30% nerve-wracking and 70% pure excitement. So in the event that you plug an igniter into a cue that is not into the show, we've designed the Ignite system to highlight that cue in yellow, as you can see here. In addition, this interface tells you the module's battery life and signal strength. It's kind of like a small setup dashboard for each module. Well done. Be sure to check out our next video, which covers the steps in firing your first show with the Ignite firing system. As always, this is Zach from Ignite Firing Systems. Happy shooting.